Significant enhancements have been made to SolidEdge's best-in-class large assembly performance, specifically in view dynamics, which provide a more productive experience for users working with large and intricate 3D models. To illustrate these changes, we'll compare several view manipulations between SolidEdge 2024 and the previous release using an assembly containing over 175,000 parts. While zooming out, we notice the process of initiating view changes is faster and more responsive, and the time it takes the view to finish processing has been greatly reduced. Next, we'll pan the model. With the new enhancements, there is minimal lag from when we start manipulating the view, ensuring a more immediate and seamless experience. Also notice the overall increase in frame rate, leading to a smoother, more fluid rotation of the large assembly. We're able to complete these moves nearly twice as fast in SolidEdge 2024. When dealing with complex 3D models, the new display architecture will handle them more efficiently, resulting in improved performance and responsiveness. These enhancements exponentially increase display performance, meaning the larger the assembly, the faster it will be compared to previous versions. SolidEdge also introduces a new immersive view style option that enhances the user experience by providing a more immersive environment. The background or environment image dynamically reorients with the model as the camera is modified, eliminating the static background of the past. Graphics effects like reflections, shadows, and lighting update in real time as the model is reoriented, ensuring a seamless visual experience. Enhanced model view performance and new view styles create an uncompromised immersive digital experience, helping you unleash the power of intelligent product design.